Good day to all builders who are watching. It's Paulo again. Now we have another FAQ here, or a frequently asked question. So today's question is, should I buy a DIY guitar kit? In this video, we will be discussing, should you buy a DIY guitar kit? There are a lot of people out there who think that if you're going to start playing guitars, it's easier to get started with a pre-made guitar, while others also think that building a guitar is a way more satisfying feeling than buying a pre-made one. But question is it as good as an instrument made by someone who knows what they're doing, like big brands we know? Okay, so let's start scanning through some of the people who have built DIY guitar kits. So here's Paul Miro of Junk Pile Guitars, Wally in the Box, the Bald Shredder. Dude, I love that guy. He has mad skills. Gear and Guitars with Mel, Addicted to Gear, Fulton Street Beats, and so many to mention. You would be surprised how many people are actually crazy about building guitars. This is an amazing, fun hobby. If they did it, why can't we newbies do it, right? Should I buy a DIY guitar kit? The answer is absolutely yes. It's a great addition to your collection, one you can proudly brand as your original. And Guitar Kit World will always try to make it all worth it for you. We will do our best to make that guitar a musical work of art. Till next time, rock on!